So this is just going to be a little bit of a recap from what I did on the weekend. I filmed a little bit and I wanted to add it into this video. I just wasn't sure how to, so I will voice over the next few photos and clips and just, yeah, walk you through it. So I'm just camped out at this amazing cliff spot again. As you can see at the water, I had the tent up. There's probably photos in this video where you see it. But I was driving this morning, flying the drone, and I had it back over the top of me taking some photos, and I thought I'll just send it out a little bit over the water, and it disconnected, and now it's the ocean. Which is sad because it's like losing a part of yourself. I've had that drone for 10 years. It was the first portable DJI drone, and I got it when it first came out, $3,000, probably in 2015 or 16, like it was a long time ago. But it's been across the world with me. It's been to Romania, Thailand, Amsterdam, Bali. So it's had a good life. And I thank you for your service. But yeah, I'm going to sit here and feel sorry for myself for a little bit, drink my coffee, and then I'm going to go do a workout. I'm not sure if this will be in today's video or Monday's video, but I just wanted to say my farewells while I'm here in the presence of it, and wish it all the best. And if someone's watching this and you find a drone in Bowen, reach out because there's some good photos on there that I really want. So next place on the list was Townsville. Started off this beautiful restaurant, had lunch, cocktail, looked over this impressive pool in Magnetic Island. Later I found a camp spot out in the bush, which was actually really nice. I got up early the next morning for sunrise along the Strand, which is the foreshore, and then after that I did this hike twice. It was that good. So we are in Townsville at the moment. I got here yesterday, stayed the night down to Free Camp, just in sort of a little bit out of town. But I've woken this morning, and this is called Castle Hill, and it's not quite a mountain, but it's very much on the verge of it. It's not quite tall enough, statistically. I'm going to hike it now. I hiked it this morning with a local that showed me around. Legend, Emma, thank you. And now I'm just going to hike it and film it, do all the boring stuff, so let's get up there. There's so many lookouts up here and so many different viewing spots. It's beautiful. There's someone up there. But yeah, the view is just stunning. Like, it doesn't even feel like Australia. It feels like Hawaii or something. Yeah, now I've got my photos. It's a bit windy, I couldn't get the ones I wanted to, and my drone's in the ocean, so I have to make tracks. Next place, Cardwell Rock Pool. So a local told me about these pools and said they're a must-see, and they were beautiful, although the water was very low and there was a sign saying you can't swim stagnant water. So I took a sneaky selfie, made dinner and set up. Then it started pouring down rain. So I decided to get back on the road and keep heading towards north. I made it past Mission Beach for the night, and that's where I took camp. But along the way, it was bucketing down rain, and the only things that sort of saved me were these railway crossings, where you'd have to stop and slow down, put the hazards on, let everybody know, and then keep on. The trucks are wild at night, and you always just pull over and let them pass because they sit on your ass. This was the camp spot. It was actually really nice. Heaps of campers there. Good night's sleep. Time to hit the road. I let the big girl warm up while I brush her teeth and put my house away. We'll head to Cairns and make some breakfast. How good is that view? Let's go. Can't park there, mate. So we made it to Cairns. I've just called in on Anaconda. I had breakfast out at Trinity Beach, that was really nice. And then I come into town because it's so busy here. And it's impossible to find parking for trailers. It's all 45-degree angle parking, paid parking. So I went to Trinity Beach for breakfast, come back in, and I got a new drone, a lock, and a couple jerry cans to put in the back behind the wheel there. And I'm going to lock them to the car because obviously people will steal them, especially if they're full of 98. So the plan now is to park across the road at Bunnings and cycle into town. I'll take the new drone with me and try and get some good footage. They got the lagoon and stuff there, so I'll probably have a swim and a shower and yeah, just enjoy the day, try to anyway. And then we will keep on keeping on and head up to Cooktown for the night, I believe, but we'll see what happens. Bit of dicking around, but we got them on. They're secure. Locked on, combination lock. Can't tell you the password because you'll steal them. Just fit. That's tight. Now I put my strap around this to stop this from swinging open when we go over bumps. And we're ready to go to Bunnings. This thing looks awesome. So as you would have seen my last one, it went down in the ocean about 50 meters offshore. I never found it and yeah, it's gone. But I'll open this up and we'll take it to the lagoon area and see if the batteries are charged and give it a fly. Alright, so there's been a little bit of a twist. We're currently at a shopping centre at Cairns. I didn't realise, but I've got to get a SD memory card for the drone because mine sank in the ocean. So we left Bunnings, we're here. We're going to do a little bit of grocery shopping and get some supplies. Might go fill the jerry cans up and just get organised. Take Monday to be our organised day. I'm on top of washing, I'm on top of everything else. It's just, yeah, I've got to get this drone sorted, then I can relax. Alright, water is restocked. Steak, vegetables, everything's in the fridge. Jerry cans are still there. Let's get out of here. Parked up. Just somewhere in the sort of industrial part. And we're ready to head into town. It's only 1.5 k's from here, so it'll only take me 10 minutes to get there. And then we'll get stuff sorted. Alright. So this is the lagoon area. I don't want to have the phone out for too long. Looks pretty good. Showers in there, bikes over there locked up. Right in the ocean. Alright, I've gone to the lagoon, showered. I didn't swim because it's way too busy. I'm super paranoid about shit getting stolen. Like, I know it's little, but the other day when I was in Mackay, someone stole my valve caps. I had these nice valve caps that I got with the tyre deflators and I put them on and they were gone. So, you know, and I'd only been away from the car for an hour. And I'm carrying 2 phones, 2 watches, wallets, keys, drones. So yeah, I'm paranoid about my bag getting stolen while I'm swimming and also my car getting touched. So I'm a little restricted in that regard, but I guess it's self-inflicted just because I'm paranoid. But anyways, now I'm going to go fill these jerry cans up, get a coffee, and head back to Trinity Beach or a beach along there where it's a bit quieter and a bit safer, a bit out of town because, yeah, like I'm going past, I rode my push bike in there then, and I'm riding past Aboriginals drinking and fighting on the streets, and just, yeah, it doesn't take much for anybody to just grab your stuff and walk off. So yeah, outside of town is not too bad. It's a bit quieter, so I'll head out there now, unbox this drone, charge the batteries up, and yeah, start editing a video, I guess. So I've pulled into just up from Trinity Point, and I found this little bike track that goes along the shore, and it's actually really nice through here. So we're going to have a bit of a pedal this afternoon and see how far we get. I don't want to unwrap the drone just yet because it's super windy and there's no point sending it up and losing it up.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the orbital Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Alright guys, it's now almost 5 o'clock. We're just sitting at the beach, just up from Trinity Point. I'm just editing this video and I've got no real outro. Tonight I'm not going to be doing much. I'm probably going to drive a little bit now and try and get to Port Douglas, which is about, I don't know, an hour and a bit away. So I'll do that, and then I'll yeah, set up and probably just have an easy dinner and go to bed. So I'll say bye now. Sorry today wasn't very eventful. It was more of an organising day and just getting stuff sorted. So then the rest of the week can be better prepared. Go to the Daintree rainforest and get up a bit further north. Anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Jeez, hot. We just went up the biggest road in Port Douglas. Sorry, the steepest road. I didn't know. Sorry, GP. So this is Set Hill. We just come up. I want to see how steep it is on my steep meter. Oh, -1, -2. -6, 7. Oh. Oh, this isn't even the steep bit, 7. There you go, 16, 15. Oh yeah. Doesn't sound like much, but it is when you're towing a 2-ton trailer. Maybe it wasn't that bad. Anyways.